Ever wondered why Uranus is the oddball of our solar system? Let's unravel its secrets. So why does Uranus spin sideways? Imagine a planet knocked over by a cosmic punch. Scientists believe that billions of years ago, a massive object, maybe even the size of Earth, smashed into Uranus. This colossal collision tilted Uranus on its side, giving it that quirky roll. But wait, there's more. Because of this tilt, Uranus has the weirdest seasons in the solar system. Imagine 42 years of non-stop daylight followed by 42 years of darkness. Talk about an extreme summer and winter. And here's a fun fact. Uranus's unusual rotation also affects its magnetic field, making it tilt at a crazy angle too. It's like having a wonky magnet inside a spinning top. So next time you think your day's been weird, just remember, Uranus has been rolling sideways for billions of years. Now that's what I call a cosmic twist. Stay curious, folks, and keep